This is CUBOT Max 3, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you need to launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green Install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the Opera, and final step of this process is to set it up. So here tap on the blue continue button, decide whether some of the options the browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip them and leave this configuration process for later. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is the page that allows you to customize the permissions and, well, cookies and what's not. You can either do just that or allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.